We're here at the AMTC today to catch up with two of our apprentices, Joe and Tyler, and all of their journey has been made possible by the support received from Lloyds Bank. Working with our regional account manager to access their SME programme has given us financial support for that period of time that they're away from the business.
Well, I'm one of the apprentice trainers. I deliver obviously the milling, as you can see here, but also other units. So when the learners arrive, there will be a few basic units that they will need to cover when they first arrive in centre, and I will deliver some of those as well. Well, we aim to instil all the basic foundation skills and knowledge that they're going to need in their various units, and then hopefully they will be able to take that out into industry with them and apply and build on that knowledge when they're back at their employer. I've got to be honest, attitude, they're willing to learn, which makes it easier to teach. They're keen, they're interested, they've got the ability to be able to look at a problem and find a solution. Obviously their time on milling, you can tell that they understand what you're talking about, and they then, when you give them a problem, they'll go away, they'll have a think about it, and then you're waiting for them to come back to you with the answer. And 9 times out of 10, they both have done, yeah.
Well, AMTC is possibly the leading apprentice school for manufacturing and engineering in the Coventry and Warwickshire region. Just look at the facilities, they're absolutely fantastic. So we started as Technoset working with the AMTC in 2021, where we took on Tyler as a quality-based apprentice and subsequently then recruited Joe as a production apprentice. And the thing I really liked about Tyler was his communications. And with AMTC, they don't just teach the guys and girls about the principles of manufacturing, but it's also they train them for interviews, for how to communicate, and just produce an all-round good engineer.
Yeah, so Matthew Bastock, Apprenticeship Programme Manager here at the AMTC. So my role here is to look after all employers, learners, the front face effectively of the training centre. So opening that door to look after all our key stakeholders that come to see us. So initially it was with our existing apprentice Tyler, so he's now a second year. So we employed Tyler to start with. He then transferred and found an opportunity with Technoset in Rugby, who came to see us looking for an apprentice to support their skills growth of apprentices in their business. Tyler, then we connected with Technoset, and that's how it started. And then we now have Joe, our first year apprentice that Technoset support via Lloyds Banking Group funding, which then is a nice tri-party arrangement where we can work with local SMEs that are non-levy payers that are able to tap into Lloyds funding to support the apprenticeship programme.